Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you have an active family, you just might need these CasterMasters. This is how much the couch moves without the CasterMasters, and with them, it doesn't move at all. I made such a big thunk that the dog had to come out and check on me, but the couch didn't move at all. Even with just everyday regular use, we're constantly pushing the couch back together because we're sliding through these little cracks, and it gets really annoying. These CasterMasters are really simple to install, and you can see how much the couch slides on our laminate without them. And then once I put the CasterMaster on, the couch doesn't move at all. The texture is a nice flexible yet durable rubber, and these ridges are what really keeps everything in place. Due to their low profile and the style of our couch, you can barely see these now that they're installed. And I just love that the floor is protected and we're no longer inconvenienced by the sliding couch. So if you need your furniture to stay put, I highly recommend these CasterMasters. And that's my point of view.